What's up, guys? So good to see y'all again. Good to be back. I know we've had a month of silence. There's a reason. We've just been waiting and planning out our next steps for our cars and the build for that. So we're back and we're better than ever. We got some cool stuff we want to show y'all. Like right now, we're prepping my windshield for the custom banner that my group and we got. The title's Ordinary. It's really cool. You're about to see it here in a minute. A cool edit of it and snapshot. And we also got the materials and stuff ready for the front custom slip splitter I'm going to be doing and the rear diffuser I'm going to be doing. You're going to get a detailed video of that, the things you need, the materials, how you're going to mock it and everything. So I hope y'all stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. And there's the man himself. And so I hope y'all stay tuned and we'll see y'all in a few. Start sticking. Start at the top too. Right at the top. Alright, grab it. Grab it this way. So it doesn't fly off. Alright.
How to do it is measured from the bottom from here to here. And measure from there to there.
Oh yeah. You have a... You need to hurry. A little bit. Alright, let's talk about it. So, first thing you're gonna have to do is get rubbing alcohol. You wanna make sure your windshield's rubbed down perfect. You don't want any air bubbles that you can't get out. And then use napkins or something, wipe it down, make sure it's nice and clean. Second, you're gonna wanna get your banner, your vinyl wrap, that's essentially what it is. You wanna get a spray bottle with just soap and dishwasher, or water and dishwasher soap. And then you just spray down your banner and spray down the area about where you're gonna put the banner. So you can move it around and adjust it when you need to, and it won't just stick automatically. And once you do that, adjust it how you want to, leave it there pressed, and make sure to fill in all the angles with either a squeegee or a credit card. Debit card works fine, but squeeze out all the angles, make sure it's how you want it, press the angles in, let it dry for a couple seconds, make sure you're keeping, you're still pushing out all the air bubbles from the water. Let it dry, get a razor, cut the edges of the tape or the vinyl off the banner so it fits nice and neatly. And then second step, let it dry for a couple minutes actually, excuse me. And you want to move on to your words. And from there, it's the same process. Spray your banner now, the area in your banner, and then spray the sticker or the words. Put it, adjust it how you want. You can use a tape measure to measure each side to make sure it's nice and even how you like it. So you know for sure, you don't have to just do it by eye. And then let it dry, keep pressing out all the air bubbles, and you're good to go. That's it. So 45 minutes later, that is the finished product. Wait, head fin noggin, right?